Hiya, it's head chef Marco from Thistle, Birmingham City. About food festival, we're doing a couple of dishes what we already have here on our new menu. We're doing a chicken laksa, which is a kind of mild curry from Indonesia, and we're also doing a vegetable rendang curry, also a mild one but a bit different, from the same area. We were thinking that what kind of food we should do or could do, and we decided that we do something that shows that we also doing in a hotel a bit something different, yeah. And also these dishes are coming from our common hotels from same region, so there's something to do also with the other hotels what we have in this group. Then about pudding, we were thinking, okay, something English, so we thought strawberry season, so we're going to offer strawberry eaten mess as for a pudding. So hopefully I'll see you all in food festival. It's 13th and 14th of July, so Friday and Saturday. Hope to see you there.